Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today we're gonna do a quick Valentino Beauty Pure unboxing. Okay, so I ordered the Trippy Collection along with one colored acrylic. So these came really well packaged. I really love how they came. So these are the ones that came in the Trippy Collection, which I'm in love with that. This is one that I just picked up on the side, and then I picked up this like peachy pink acrylic. So I'm gonna swatch all of these. So this acrylic powder is called Sweet Pea and it's number 107. And this is how the acrylic powder looks. Super light and peachy and pink. Just a gorgeous pastel looking color. Okay, so this is how Sweet Pea looks. It is super pretty, very cute pastel color. Okay, I adjusted the lighting a little bit so you guys can see it better, but it is this very nice pastel peach color or pinkish color, but it's super cute, super spring, and very nice. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna go to the gel that's not included in the Trippy Collection. This is 054, and it is pretty similar to Sweet Pea in my opinion. This is how 054 looks. Very cute color. Then moving on to Trippy Collection, I'm going to start with 020. So this is 120. Sorry, I kept saying 120. I meant this is 20, just 20, 020, 20. So sorry if I kept saying 120. This is just 20. Moving on to 102. This is 102, and I will be describing the colors after each one is ready and dry. So next I'm going in with 026. So this is 026. Going in next with 027. So this is 027. Next, we're moving in with 108. So this is 108. Next, we're moving on to 038. So this is 038. Okay, so here are all the colors that I picked up, starting off with Sweet Pea, which is the acrylic. It is a very pastel pink peach color. I would describe it as like a papaya pastel kind of color. The 054 is another kind of like pastel color, but it has a hint more of pink in it. It still leans on like an orangey coral, like peachy vibe, but it's still very pink. Then we have 020, which is this color right here, and I would describe this color as coral. Yeah, like a coral, because it's very poppy, like it's like a tomato but with pink. It's the best way I could describe it. Then we have 102, which is this kind of like pinky purple. I would say not magenta, but like a fuchsia, maybe. Very 80s like, in my opinion. Then we have this purple that's literally a purple. It looks violet purple, I guess. Not super dark, but not very pastel like, in my opinion, either. Still very purple. I don't see myself using it all that often. It's mainly just for designs. But that's 026. 027 is just a really nice baby blue color. I don't think it's as similar as Baby Boo from Kiara Sky. And then we have 108, which is a very lime green kind of color, almost neon lime green in my opinion. Super nice, really like it. Then we have 038, which is a pastel yellow. I would describe it as a daffodils. I'm not sure if I'm even saying that flower right, but I would describe it as that flower. The color wise, it's very like a muted yellow. I wouldn't consider it too pastel of a yellow, but it's a muted yellow. Really nice, and I can't wait to use these. So, spoiler alert, I forgot that I ordered Baby Boo, but I still haven't received it yet. So when I get my Kiara Sky package, hopefully by this week or maybe next week, I will do the comparison between 027 and Baby Boo because they're very similar. I will compare them to the blues that I already have. So this is comparing it to the blues I already have. It's not pastel like 091 like Wave, because this one is super light. So as you can see, it's super different. This one is just more blue, and then these lean in more. This is blue. I know it looks green between these greens, but it's blue. So comparing it to 091 Wave, 091 Wave kind of looks almost greenish or like a light green, but it's really not. It's like a really light blue with white in it. It's a baby blue with white. Like, I can describe it as like a minty toothpaste, if you will. So they're totally different. So this is 091 and this one is 027. Anyways, that'll be all for today. I am gonna use a few because I really want to do this design that I saw. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, bye. With my like no nails and nails hand. Bye.